TVS Motor forayed into EV market with the scooter TVS iQube electric. TVS Motor has forayed into electric vehicles market with TVS iQube electric. Designed with high-tech features, the TVS iQube electric delivers a range of 75 km under eco mode, providing a top speed of 78 kmph. It is equipped with next-gen SmartXonnect technology and powered by 3 Li-ion battery packs and a silent motor to keep you connected on the go. Volvo installs air purifying devices in school buses with #BreatheFree as a part of its #BreatheFree initiative. Volvo Cars collaborated with Persapien to create and install a device in school buses which would reduce the PM2.5, turning it into moving air purifiers. Aiming to help create a sustainable future, Volvo mobilized school buses as a symbol of children being the agents of change and future leaders. Upcoming Tata Altroz awarded 5 stars in global NCAP adult safety rating. Tata Altroz has received a 5-star adult safety rating from global NCAP, a global car assessment program, cementing its position as the safest India-made hatchback. We would like to encourage all other car manufacturers in India to follow Tata's example and bring affordable 5-star cars to Indian consumers, said President. Global NCAP. Tata Altroz is launching on January 22, 2020. Elon Musk earns $2.3 billion in 1 hour after rise in Tesla shares. Elon Musk earned $2.3 billion in a span of just 1 hour, increasing his fortune to about $36 billion, as Tesla's shares grew 12% to $649. Following fourth quarter results, Tesla posted $105 million in net profit in the fourth quarter and earned $7.38 billion in revenue. Notably, Tesla hit a market capitalization of $100 billion last week.